Elon Musk's long-term strategy has outlined a surprisingly clear path for Tesla Optimus, one that now points toward as many as 1,200 third-generation humanoid robots operating inside Giga Texas logistics by 2026. During earnings calls and shareholder discussions in late 2024 and throughout 2025, Musk explained that Tesla would begin with limited internal production, followed by thousands of Optimus units working across Tesla facilities before transitioning into full mass production of the more advanced Gen 3 version in 2026. When you connect this with his earlier commitment of deploying over 1,000 robots company-wide by 2025, the idea of 1,200 units operating at a single site like Giga Texas no longer sounds unrealistic. It begins to look like a natural outcome of Tesla's scaling strategy rather than an ambitious fantasy. From a production perspective, the numbers actually support this vision. Tesla has openly discussed a goal of reaching 10,000 Optimus units per month once manufacturing lines mature. In that context, 1,200 robots would represent only a small fraction of a single month's output. Allocating that number internally to one of Tesla's most important factories would be a logical step, especially when those robots are expected to work around the clock without fatigue. Real-world demonstrations already show Optimus handling tasks directly relevant to factory logistics, such as transporting components, sorting 4,680 battery cells, and performing repetitive quality checks at speeds that far exceed human workers. When you factor in an estimated unit cost near $20,000, deploying 1,200 robots would cost roughly $24 million, a tiny investment compared to the multi-billion-dollar scale of Giga Texas, and one that could generate an extraordinary return through nonstop automation. For many people, the idea of casually assigning tasks to a humanoid robot still feels unnatural. Most humanoid robots seen in the past have looked awkward, slow, and impractical, reinforcing the belief that they are little more than expensive experiments. For years, robotics leaders like Boston Dynamics have produced impressive machines such as Spot, Stretch, and Atlas. Yet none of these robots have reached true mass production. They have remained confined to limited deployments and demonstrations for nearly a decade, shaping the perception that humanoid robots are destined to stay in the prototype phase. That perception began to shift dramatically with the unveiling of Tesla Optimus Gen 2, which showed a level of integration, balance, and real-world usefulness that few had expected so soon. Since then, interest in humanoid robots has accelerated rapidly. Tasks that once seemed futuristic are now being openly discussed as everyday use cases. Receiving deliveries, folding laundry, packing goods in retail environments, assisting in restaurants, and handling warehouse logistics are no longer abstract concepts. Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus is meant to exist alongside humans, not hidden away in isolated industrial settings. He has even compared it to having a personal droid like C-3PO or R2-D2, but with real economic value. Unlike fictional helpers, Optimus is designed to perform tasks that can generate income or significantly reduce labor costs, making it not just a convenience, but a practical asset. At its core, Optimus was created to give people back their time. While current demonstrations only scratch the surface of what the robot can do, they already hint at a future where a single machine can seamlessly transition between household and professional roles. Optimus Gen 2 has shown the ability to receive packages, retrieve items from a car trunk, fold clothes, water plants, delicately handle fragile objects, operate a computer, and navigate complex indoor environments. It can squat, climb stairs, maintain balance, and move with a level of fluidity that feels increasingly natural. These are foundational skills, and Tesla has been clear that they represent only the beginning. Recent updates have highlighted Optimus performing everyday domestic activities such as cleaning kitchens, organizing groceries, and assisting with basic household chores. Tesla positions the robot as a safe companion capable of supporting families, assisting the elderly, and interacting naturally with children. Throughout 2024, Tesla focused heavily on refinement rather than volume, producing a limited number of units for testing, demonstrations, and internal evaluation. The real shift begins in 2025, when Tesla plans to deploy large numbers of Optimus robots directly into its own factories. Musk has stated that more than 1,000 robots will be integrated into production lines, handling real work rather than controlled demos. By 2026, Tesla expects Optimus to be available to customers, potentially through both direct purchase and rental models. By that stage, the robot's task library is expected to expand dramatically, reaching a level where it can handle complex and unfamiliar jobs with minimal guidance. From factory labor to office assistance, security, food preparation, and even educational support, Optimus is being designed as a general-purpose worker. In certain specialized tasks, its AI-driven decision-making may even outperform humans in consistency and precision. Tesla's confidence comes from its belief that it already possesses the most advanced real-world AI systems in operation today. A common misconception is that Optimus is simply another AI product, comparable to software tools that generate text or instructions. The difference is profound. While a traditional AI system might explain how to cook a meal, Optimus can physically prepare that meal. By observing demonstrations, whether through direct examples or video data, the robot can learn new tasks and reproduce them in the real world. This transforms AI from something abstract into something tangible. At a shareholder meeting, Musk explained that by 2026, Optimus would be capable of performing tasks it had never explicitly practiced before, relying on generalized learning rather than rigid programming. To enable this, Tesla is building Optimus on the same end-to-end neural network philosophy used in its autonomous vehicles. The robot processes visual input, interprets its environment, and determines actions in real time. The intelligence that allows Tesla cars to navigate complex city streets is repurposed to control arms, legs, and hands instead of steering wheels and pedals. One critical advantage of this approach is fleet learning. Improvements made by one robot can be shared across thousands of others, allowing the entire system to evolve rapidly. Some demonstrations have shown Optimus being remotely controlled, which has led to confusion about its autonomy. Tesla has clarified that remote operation is primarily a training tool, used to accelerate data collection and learning. Once the system has observed enough examples, it can generalize those behaviors without direct control. This mirrors how humans learn by watching rather than by being programmed step by step. Unlike traditional industrial robots that require extensive reprogramming for every new task, Optimus is designed to adapt dynamically to new environments, tools, and challenges.